Here we're going to learn about how to make money online. 1. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can make money using a combination of free websites from either WordPress.com or Weebly, YouTube videos, social media, and other ways. To do this without investment, you'll need to either have a free website with traffic. Traffic means the number of visitors that are visiting your website on a timely basis to help you get approved for programs like Amazon Associates and Etsy, or just sign up for a site like ClickBank that doesn't require one. Either way, to keep this process free of cost, you probably won't be able to collect emails, which is how top affiliates make their money. This matters because it means your conversion rate of visitors to customers will be much lower than people who use email to market to subscribers over time. To increase conversion rate, to make your conversion rate better, I recommend you make content that is geared towards reviews and comparisons of the different products you're an affiliate for. This way, you would attract an audience that is close to buying something and therefore more likely to click your affiliate links. Either way, you should still upgrade your website and get an email marketing service like GetResponse later on when you can. This will dramatically improve your results. 2. Freelance services. What's nice about freelance services is you can just make money from the skills you already have and you don't need to make a website. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, Chegg, and PeoplePerHour and some tutoring websites have more freelance jobs available than you could imagine, and you can just create a profile for free to get started. Many top freelancers make $100 per hour or more once they've built their profile's reputation. 4. Selling online info products. Another way to make money online without investment is to sell info products. These can include ebooks, courses, etc. The key is to not have to sell them on your own website because that would almost certainly cost money. For ebooks, I recommend Kindle Direct Publishing. This is the free service that lets you self-publish ebooks and sell them on Amazon for up to 70% royalties. More on selling ebooks here. For courses, I recommend a site like Udemy if you want to avoid the costs of having your own website. Udemy takes a commission in your sales, but lets you host your courses on their site. Note: the course must be prepared by you or else you should have all rights on it. 4. Sell digital art. Last but not least, you can sell digital art and merchandise like t-shirts and coffee mugs online without spending much money at all. For digital art, one thing you can do is open an Etsy store and sell art that is available via direct digital download. This means when people pay for your design, they download it and can print it off themselves however they please. With this method, you don't have to deal with packing, shipping, ordering, or any of the costly hassles that come with selling typical art. For merchandise, another option is to sell merch on a print-on-demand site like Teespring. Here you can just create a design and have it sold on t-shirts, jeans, towels, hoodies, and much more without ever having to handle anything yourself. Teespring lets you host your purchase page on their site and takes care of the printing, packing, shipping, and customer support for you. In exchange, they take a commission of your sales. A very fair deal. Of course, to create these designs without investment can be difficult. You'll probably have to do them yourself. Designing without investment. What you can do is use free alternatives to popular graphic design software. For instance, you can use Pixlr instead of Photoshop and Inkscape instead of Adobe Illustrator. Hope you find this video helpful. Share, subscribe and comment for detailed information regarding money making. If this video gets 200 likes, would show how to make money with freelancing and I will be showing all the proofs.